First, I just want to say that I'm not an expert. Also, I'm not trying to make panic. I'm just a huge nerd. For some time and have I think of, if you has a high-tech 3D printer mix with AI, somehow it could run for a long time without any help. Can AI make a kingdom there? For example, farmers, tools, soldiers, and weapons plus bricks also may be cheap self-propelled vehicles. Also AI mix with RC vehicles. Since I played SAI, 2010, I've been thinking that if you have enough money you could make an army. Of course it's not exactly T-8000, so the quality can vary. Normal I would say, and I've heard was the best. If you're going to produce weapons you shouldn't go for the cheapest or most expensive, but somewhere in between. And that with the high-tech 3D printer. Could maybe in time burst. Like in Bug Hive, but number could be an advantage if you can produce in huge numbers and can easy produce forever. Also of course drones or RC factory could produce in huge numbers. Maybe the 3D printed unit have cheap produced poor melee weapons or cheap ranged weapons. Until they find something else. Of course there are weaknesses such as RC or D factory can run out of supplies. Or HT 3D printer breaks down and it cannot be repaired. Okay, back to 3DP unit steals things. They can attack hunters and break into weapons depots or perhaps cars and other vehicles. And if there are none, maybe they could go to a shack and take whatever they could find to use as weapons or as tools. Maybe they could take knives, small axes or hoes to throw at them. They can also make an RC or D factory. Now that we are at RC and D will be best as a bomber plane or can machine gun be enough? And you could also 3D print animals for war or work. Back to RC and D ground vehicle, can it pay off or only in the air will be enough?
If it is possible to make 3DP unit or drones the size of a bug, could it be a good spy or assassin? Nano a little too hard to make, I would guess.
So there is not so much to say. I've had this idea for a while. I got the idea when I made the other videos to talk about the two things. Although the other videos have little to do with this one.
Don't need your religion. I think from you I'll be so